Hey guys, Adrian here, and I'm just gonna show you me building the Lego Star Wars Comic-Con 2012 exclusive set. It's in a canister, very nice. See, exclusive, number 604 out of 1,000. 84 pieces, not much. Lego. It shows the infiltrator, Darth Maul on top with a scanning droid thingy. And yeah, so I already just cut the top open. That's all I did. Now I'm just gonna go open it up. Keep that there. Now we have one. Okay, so we have two sets. This is this is for the ship pieces, and this is for Darth Maul. And then instructions. So yeah, I don't think I'm not gonna do anything special. I just don't, because I don't think I have the time for it, and this is an exclusive thing. I don't really care much as long as, so yeah. Maybe I'll just build a minifigure. Nah, never mind. So yeah, I'll just go leave it like this and stuff, and I'll go build this first. So open it up. Yeah. Oh crap. Yeah. Sorry, I was being a bit of a derp there. So yeah, so here we go. Here we go. Darth Maul. So you see him. Wait, it's not focusing. Here we go. So you see him, right? Body. He's naked, I guess, except he has pants. Okay. Yeah, it's nice. Very good detail. Forehead. It's a separate piece. And here's the lightsaber. So yeah, put that on the side right. Okay, it's being dirt. Just there. And yeah. So now I'm gonna go build this. I think I'll go accelerate this part of the clip so you don't have to wait a long time. So let me just cut it and then I'll restart. Okay guys, ready, set, go.
Yeah,
So yeah, there you have it. Here we go. So I finished the set already. Took me about 10 minutes. I was taking my time because I was just completely bored. So yeah, this was a good time killer for me as well. You're just, yeah. Just letting Darth Maul get on here. Okay, yeah, close enough. So yeah, here we go. Alright, this is focusing correctly. So yeah, here's the little exclusive. Oh, shoot. With Darth Maul stuff. And the lightsaber. And then there's the searcher probe droid. I can't remember, but yeah. I mean, this is actually this is a nice set. It's really easy to build. The only complaint I have to say is that these pieces are kind of loose. Like they can come off easily if you mess around with it. Okay, how do I get this? Yeah. Here, give me a second. Okay, yeah. Yeah, the only problem is like the side parts are a bit loose, but everything else is alright, pretty much. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and comment on it, like, do whatever, I don't really care, and yeah. So, yeah, thanks for watching.